Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change layout on TradingView application. Okay, to manage the multiple charts and layout. So to do, you will see here in your bottom side a three dot. Once you press it, here it will open a quick settings. Now you will find the first setting is a layout setup. So the layout setup to get more charts will be only available for the subscribed users, means the paid users. If you have a subscription, you can easily get benefit of the feature. If you don't have, it will ask you to first buy the subscription. So click on setup layout, and then here you will see many kind of layouts available like one chart model, two chart layout, okay, 3 4 5 6 up to 8 layouts, okay, in a single screen. Once you try to select, it will ask you to first buy the subscription. If you already have, it will simple enable the layout. So but you will easily learn how to change layout on TradingView application. Okay, goodbye.